Hello there guys, what is going on? Welcome to Pure Trading and the Master Mixers. Euro versus the yen here on the 15 minute. We took a trade yesterday based on just a normal break pullback sort of situation, but the reason we got in is on the 4 hourly. We have a trend line respected since June, and then we have a false breakout here later on in June, and then prices keeps on gravitating towards the trend. When that happens again here, it was yesterday, we've become interested. We dropped down to the 15 minutes, saw manipulation, and then actually missed the manipulation entry, and then went in on our like a secondary idea there. This one was a nice one, worth about, let's see, running for 129 pips now, and there are a few others I quickly want to go over. The Aussie New Zealand dollar, let's have a look at that. I didn't take that yesterday, but we took that in the, I think it was in the beginning of last week or so. Let me just show you. Based on the same sort of stuff here, you have a weekly, prices are moving up. Daily prices are moving up. So the only direction for us really is as soon as prices are giving us clues on the trend lines, we are looking for manipulations in the area. Now this manipulation comes in that area over there, and again we get in just on a normal break pullback and missing that actual manipulation again there. And the next one we have the Swiss franc versus the yen. Let's just have a look here. Swiss franc versus the yen. Right, and the next one we have a Swiss franc versus the yen. All of these are going very nicely. We got in on this trade quite some time ago, but it was all just based on a trend line manipulations. The reason we're doing trend line manipulations now is because the market is trending. We are not giving up on the excursion of the mean sort of method like we usually trade. The thing is that when you see there's an excursion beyond the mean and you have a level which then qualifies the trade to go the other way, we don't do that if the market is trending. When the market is trending, we plug in our trend trading strategy, and all we do is follow the trend on the on the trend line. So we're watching for the respect here of the trend lines and then looking for manipulations. And as I said, we got in quite early on this one. Also, most of them are traded off on the 15 minute. This is our entry. Prices are going up for about 400 pips now as we speak on that one. And then the last one I want to show you is the New Zealand dollar versus the Swiss franc. You will see there's just like a normal sort of a pattern going on here. We can see there's trend line breaks, and then we are drawing the qualified trends, and then we are trading. If you look at this one, we've traded it here based on the manipulation in the top area there. Based on that area, we had a manipulation, and then prices comes down and goes up and down and up and down, and we are taking multiple entries here. So you can see this blue line here, that is where we would take our first sort of target and take some profit off the table. Then the idea is, this is the account grower, is when we are able to let these trades run for a number of pips, irrespective of what it does now next. If it goes all the way up, takes out your stop loss, doesn't really matter because you've already taken off most of your profits by this time. So when the market is trending, we plug in a different strategy. Guys, if you've enjoyed the video, if you want to learn anything about the techniques we use here, there are free courses. The links are all below. And subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the bell notification, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks a lot, guys. Trade safely and prosper.